Hi, David Solomon, VP of Sales at SmartPixel, will discuss how their real estate sales solution can be customized to become the most complete and efficient tool in the market by offering custom features to meet their clients' specific needs.
Thank you, Valerie. Indeed, SmartPixel offers the most robust and impactful presentation and sales tools in the market for pre-construction real estate projects. As presented in previous videos, our solution combines an online administrative platform with a state-of-the-art, real-time 3D application. Our typical user experience offers a basic set of functionalities which can be customized to enhance the experience, achieve specific goals, communicate, and sell more efficiently.
Great, David. Since there are so many details to go over today, how do you want to proceed?
We will not be able to fit all of the possibilities in one interview, so I'll present various projects. Each of them will include some of the most popular custom features we offer. Please keep in mind that we have other videos that explain our basic offering and give precise information about the visual levels of detail. This video focuses on custom on-demand features. The sky's the limit.
So David, what can you tell us about this project presented on the screen? What is so special about it?
Okay, this is one of those large, long-term, multi-phase projects. Our client wanted to show the environment as it is today and transport potential buyers into the future. By touching this button, it toggles on and off future phases and other upcoming surrounding projects. This gives a better understanding of how future construction will impact the area.
This is so useful, David. I understand why developers may require this.
Yes, it is. Now, for the previous application, the client chose a volumetric environment. With this other project, we have a much more photorealistic environment, and that is what I want to highlight here. While the environment is important for our customer, we can allow what we call travel tos. Users can navigate inside the environment by going from one key place to another. The more travel tos needed, the more work our team needs to do. This is why it's a custom add-on.
That's great. It's like an immersive city tour.
This feature is very powerful, especially when developers present their project to potential buyers who are not familiar with the area or the city. In the same idea, for some customers, it is very important to present public transportation networks. In order to showcase the location of subway stations, bus stops, bike trails, and so on, we can add a feature to toggle on and off those routes. If you click on this feature, Valerie, it will highlight specific points of interest and networks, allowing the users to understand how close they will be from their favorite means of transport, where are the various stations, and how easy it will be for them to go shopping and working.
It's very clear. Since we are talking about the environment, have clients requested to highlight sectors or neighborhoods?
Yes, this is often requested. Let's check this project near Euro Disney in France. By selecting this feature, it will highlight zones in the environment. Here, the developer wanted to differentiate residential, commercial, and industrial zones, but it can be used for lands, neighborhoods, and so much more.
You can customize features related to the various environments depending on what your customers want. It's nice that you offer flexibility.
The use case for real-time 3D are so vast. We had to come up with solutions to adapt our tools to the various market needs. When we started working with very high-end developers, they requested selling features we never imagined. So here, when selecting a building, it'll trigger a long list of search criteria or search filters.
Wow, there are so many.
Yeah, like currencies, roof heights, types of kitchens, number of bathrooms, color types, and so much more.
I see that this developer presents many properties, all in the same environment. Is there a way to show only specific types of properties?
Yes, Valerie. If you select this feature, it brings you to a menu where you can now choose a specific user profile, either office, retail, or residential. This will highlight specific properties with their corresponding personalized features. Now, this developer wanted to segment the profiling even further, so we've also created a personas menu. Depending on which type of persona you choose, for example, if you're a single buyer, a family, an investor, and so on, the system will pre-select units for you to view. This pop-up window is yet another custom request from the developer. It creates a folder on the computer hard drive that will store all the user's choices so that it can be shared with them once the buying experience is completed. The salesperson can plug a USB key so that their customer can take it with them instead of sharing the data via email.
So David, in your basic offering, you can adapt the interface's colors and styling to match your client's branding. Since you can add custom features, can you also offer custom interfaces?
Of course, there are so many different options. Here is an alternative to our 5, 10, and 15-minute walking distance circles. We've created a slider to enlarge or shrink the walking distance perimeter. It makes the user experience even more interactive, fun, and dynamic.
Has it ever happened that, on the spot, your customers need to change some interface elements and options?
Whether it's specific presentations, events, launches, trade shows, or phases in their selling cycles, some customers want to have the ability to change content, menus, and much more at will. Now, if you tap at the bottom right corner of the screen several times, Valerie, there is a hidden button which triggers what we refer to as the administrative console. Now, type in the password 12345.
I'm sure you can also customize this password, David.
Oh, yes, we can. Now that you're in, you have many options which will directly impact the look and feel of the software. Now, can you please hide the last 5 options and click Apply. As you can see, this customized view helps to better present to target clients.
Wow, this is so useful. Well, that's a lot of information already, David.
Indeed, Valerie. We will not have time to go over everything, but keep in mind that we can add features like a calendar for rental properties, parking lots, and storage filters, as many as you can imagine. Even a ghost screensaver to help understand how to use an application. I tell our clients, if you can describe it, we could probably make it come to life.
Well, thank you, David. And thanks for watching SmartPixel's video.